The redesigned 2019 RAV4 has new exterior styling to make it look more rugged. It also comes with a more powerful 4-cylinder engine hooked up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The engine is noisy and suffers from an irritating drone. This was one of the major downsides of the redesigned RAV4. Non-hybrid all-wheel drive models have a multi-terrain select system that allows the driver to choose modes for snow, mud, sand, and rock and dirt. Those modes optimize the all-wheel drive system to deliver the best traction for a given surface. We also found that the ride was too taut, with some stiff impacts coming through. We think that the Mazda CX-5 and Subaru Forester ride more comfortably. At least the Toyota's handling and steering response improved, making the new RAV4 a bit more agile than the last version. The new RAV is a bit shorter, wider, and lower than its predecessor, and with increased ground clearance and a lower roof, it's not as easy to get in. This new body layout also limits rear headroom. We got our RAV4 with the optional 8-way power driver's seat, which also comes with 2-way lumbar support. This seat works well for people, both short and tall, and gives a good view out of the hood. Visibility is likewise good to the sides, but thick rear pillars create significant blind spots to the rear. The padded dashboard has tasteful stitching, and the leather-wrapped steering wheel is a nice touch for the segment. But the interior feels bland, thanks to a wealth of hard plastic trim. Most controls are clear and easy to use, except for tiny buttons located around the infotainment screen. The stereo is Apple CarPlay compatible, but it does not support Android Auto. Extending the cargo area is easily done by folding the rear seat backs forward. The RAV4 comes standard with forward collision warning with pedestrian detection, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Blind spot warning and rear cross traffic alert are optional. When it comes to buying, we'd get the XLE trim, which is a good job balancing price and feature availability. We'd be sure to get the optional powered driver's seat with lumbar support adjustment, heated seats, and a power liftgate. Buyers living in cold climates should consider the all-wheel drive versions and get the weather prep package, which includes a heated steering wheel and rain-sensing wipers. A hybrid version is also available. For more on SUVs, check out consumerreports.org.